Hi, my name is Jeff DeWire. I'm the Director with the City of Columbia Public Works. Welcome to our facility. We provide a broad range of essential services for city residents. We employ approximately 68 team members here dedicated to providing those services. The Fleet Maintenance Division performs maintenance and repairs on approximately 350 pieces of city-owned vehicles and equipment. Their duties range from small repairs to more complex transmission and engine replacements. The Street Division handles storm drainage repair and replacement, special event traffic and crowd control, approximately 250 miles of right-of-way maintenance, including mowing and weed control, pothole patching, street sweeping, concrete curb and sidewalk replacement, and snow removal. The Traffic Division maintains 46 signalized intersections, as well as more than 70 miles of pavement markings across the city. Our sign department creates and maintains more than 5,000 street signs using state-of-the-art sign-making software. We have recently added a new wide-format printer capable of creating customized signage to fill a variety of needs. The Sanitation Division provides weekly garbage collection for more than 14,000 households citywide, bi-weekly recycling, brush, and bulky item collection, special needs services for more than 350 customers, and approximately 1,200 commercial accounts. Public Works is important to the everyday citizen because it provides a broad range of essential services, often that go unnoticed.
Hey, I'm Randy Allen, City of Columbia Public Works Street Supervisor for the Public Works Department here at Columbia. This is a storm drain project, of course, here at the Public Works. A couple of the neighbors here have some storm drain issues, water getting under their house. Dug out in between the two houses, put ADS 15 by 20 black plastic pipe, it's ADS pipe. In between the two houses in the dirt area, we've done curb and gutter, new grates on the side of the road, storm drain grates. On the outflow side, on the end down there, we're going to have a head wall and wing walls on the side to protect the side of the bank when the water exit the pipe on the outflow side. And we'll reshape the ditch line also to where the water continue on with the right kind of flow and shouldn't have any problems after that. The hard work we do, it's not recognized all the time for what we do per se. A lot of times if we have to, shut a road down for a day or two to put a storm drain pipe in, which this one we done in a day, we didn't have to shut it down all day, overnight, which is a good thing. We try not to do it if we can keep from it. It's an inconvenience to a lot of people. And they'll get upset sometimes, but after the job is completed, they'll kind of pat you on the back sometimes and say thank you. So, that too, that happens. It means a lot. It's like you're appreciated somewhat from people, whether it be the media or the citizens and the Public Works department heads, City Hall, city manager, and people like that. And we appreciate that. I mean, I think it should be something like that, but to recognize what we do. And get praised for it somewhat. So, for all the work we do, hard work we do.